Welcome to this video on the 3 types of induction motors: the squirrel cage, slip ring, and linear variants. We will explore the definitive guide to these essential electrical machines. Induction motors operate on the principle of electromagnetic induction, or Faraday's law. An AC supply to the stator generates a rotating magnetic field, inducing a current in the rotor and producing torque. The key is that the rotor always rotates at a speed slightly less than the synchronous speed, a difference known as slip. Induction motors are classified into 3 main types. The squirrel cage is the most robust and widely used. The slip ring or wound rotor allows for superior torque control. The linear motor is an unrolled variant, producing direct linear motion. The squirrel cage induction motor, or SCIM, is simple and cost-effective. Its rotor consists of parallel conducting bars, short-circuited by end rings. It requires no brushes, eliminating mechanical wear and sparking, making it virtually indestructible under normal loads. Looking at the SCIM's speed-torque characteristics, the starting torque is typically about 1.5 times the full load torque. The motor achieves its maximum or breakdown torque at approximately 80% of synchronous speed. The SCIM is the industrial workhorse, powering countless operations. Its applications include reliable fluid transport in water pumps, efficient air movement for ventilation, and continuous material handling in conveyors. Next is the slip ring motor, or SRIM. Unlike the SCIM, its rotor is wound with insulated coils connected to external resistors via slip rings and carbon brushes. This variable resistance allows for increased starting torque and reduces starting current, but leads to higher maintenance complexity due to brush wear. The SRIM's performance advantage lies in its heavy load excellence. By adjusting external resistance, its starting torque can reach up to 250% of the rated full load torque. This capability is critical for machinery like lifts, cranes, stone crushers, and steel rolling mills. Finally, we examine linear motors, or limbs. Imagine an unrolled induction motor laid flat. The stator, or primary, produces a traveling magnetic field, generating a linear force directly on a secondary plate. This achieves frictionless, high-speed, and low-vibration linear propulsion. A major application of the limb is in high-speed transit, driving the Maglev revolution. This technology enables trains to float above and be propelled along a track with unprecedented speed and efficiency. To summarize, the SCIM is simple and low maintenance for general industry. The SRIM is complex with high maintenance, but offers very high starting torque for heavy cranes. The linear motor provides high thrust and moderate maintenance, making it ideal for maglev trains.